Hey guys, I just wanted to show this program called Maraschino. I've been using it for a while now at my sister's house. It's actually really awesome. It's like a landing page for XBMC, Sab, Sickbeard. He just today released a couch potato and headphones module in the actual brand he merged it in. So yeah, let me just show you it around, or show it around a bit. I'm actually not locally connected to this, so it might be a little bit slow. I'm connected. I'm at my house. I'm connected to my sister's house. This system. So yeah, this is all running on her FreeBSD jail, which is running on top of pfSense, and she has two XBMC boxes in the house. So let me just show you around. If you go to the top right corner, there's some settings here. I'll skip that for now. If you go down to Manage, you can see. Actually, if you go to XBMC servers, you can add servers, and you can see that she has, I wouldn't call it servers, I would say XBMC clients, but you can see she has a XBMC client I named Front for her front room, like her living room, and one for Bianca, that's her room. So if you click on either of those, like if I click on Bianca, I'm now managing her system, and you can see it changed. I guess that right now she's watching Workaholics, and what's cool is you can really I personally think this is better than the XBMC remote. Like, if you click around these, I think it's a little more responsive than the web interface that stock comes with XBMC. I know, I believe they are working on that for XBMC 11. Not sure if it's 11 or 12 now for the next version that comes out. But yeah, for now, this seems more responsive. You can change the volume here. Obviously, this will only change the volume if you're not going through a codec, which is going on your receiver. So in that case, it won't work. You can pause. You can do whatever. I'm going to switch back because I don't want to mess her thing up as she's watching. Okay, I'll refresh this so the background changes back. The background doesn't automatically go back to whatever you have it set as. Anyway, it's basically a landing page you can create on your own, and you can see that I click the top left corner. I can now put different things here. So if I click here, I know it's going to be hard to see. Yeah, that's completely burned out. Let me just read you. There's Couch Potato Manager, Headphones Manager, NZB Get, those kind of things. You can manage your Sickbeard, your Sab, all that stuff. This is recently added episodes. This is pulling from XBMC. Recently added movies, pulling from XBMC. This is media library. This is from pulling from XBMC. So these three, if you don't have your XBMC system on at the time, it won't work. So I woke it up while I was filming this. These are just links that you can create. And what's cool is you can add like little images, so it's quick to just go through them. You can see you can add more. Open application, new tab. Oh, that's just a setting. You can add more right here. So you add a URL and a name for it, and an icon and a description, like when you hover over it. So yeah, this is cool. I have, you can click here for Sickbeard, Sab, Couch Potato. One thing I was thinking about doing is proxying everything with Nginx, so that because when you click these, it's going to go to different ports, and you're going to have to log into each one. I think if I proxy with Nginx, it'll keep the same like token. Not 100% sure about that, but I've had experience before where proxying with Nginx and it keeps the same token, but it might not work in this case. Anyway, or am I proxying behind Varnish as well? Some of these I have to proxy behind Nginx, like because this is HTTPS. So, yeah, let me show you. So these three are from XBMC, is recently added episodes, movies. So this is cool because she can see what's been added recently without having to like go through every single thing. This is a Sickbeard module, so it's showing. I put what's upcoming, so she can see like this is going to come out. You can see that's Thursday 9 p.m. Sunday 9 p.m. It's not exactly when Sickbeard is going to download it. It might be earlier or later, but that's when it actually comes out on TV. This is disk space. You can put whatever place on the drive. This is running in a jail, so if I just put root, that's the entire hard drive I have on that pfSense box, or what the jail has been given. So you can see she has 2 terabytes free. Yeah, so that's basically it. Now let me show you some of the other cool features. If you click remote control right here, it's the top left, very first option. You'll see that it now is highlighted, and the mouse all seems the same. But if you click around with the arrow keys, nothing's happening, and it's all just being piped to the XBMC system. So as I'm clicking around with the arrows, you can see I click around with the arrow keys, nothing's happening on screen. It's actually the XBMC system has the has the cursor moving around, not the cursor, the whatever's highlighted moving around. If I click I, it's going to show information about what I'm holding over. If I click C, it'll give me more options on whatever I'm holding. So the regular XBMC commands are just being piped over from your laptop or desktop or whatever you're using this on. Basically, what's cool about this is you now have a full keyboard. You know, full keyboard is if you have your laptop or your desktop in the same room as where you're watching, you have a full keyboard on XBMC. It's not ideal. I mean, if in an ideal home theater system, you're just using a remote. But this is a cool way to just quickly do it if you have a desktop in the same room, or if you're just on a laptop and you don't want to go grab the remote, or if you don't have a remote, even this will work. And I felt that this is extremely responsive. Let me just show you like the. Let me show you. So this is the XBMC for the same system. Click on movies. It loads slow, but that's just the thumbnails. So this is the front room system they have. Music never seems to work on here. I mean, this works. Like, you can click it, you can click play. It's cool and all. This is the stock one. It's been in XBMC for at least the last 2 versions that I've been using. There's a remote here. I've just always felt that this isn't as responsive. I always felt that this wasn't that responsive. And just trying Maraschino, it seems extremely responsive to remote. So, like, say I'm going to start a show. Oh yeah, what's also cool, let me just start a show. Click on movies, 21 Jump, play. So now it's playing on the XBMC system. It should show up here, yeah. Changes the background and everything. So now I can change the volume on it. This is only if you're not sending the codec off to a receiver or to your TV. If your system is the one doing the processing on that codec, then it'll work. They don't have receivers or anything. On my system, I do, so that's why you want to find something else, another way to control your thing, like having your receiver remote with you. You know, you can pause, play, stop, skip through. It's pretty cool. This even comes up if you're watching like YouTube or if you're just watching some random video on the internet on your XBMC system. You can still mess with this, so you can't get to it obviously from this interface. Yeah, I wish there was a way to send video. That would be pretty cool. Just send a link. I know you can do that on Android if it's just like an MP4. So yeah, another thing I wanted to show is like, look at this little white line. That's an option in the XBMC recently added episodes module to show what's been watched. I don't know why these aren't. This should have one of these should have a line. Actually, I don't know if they watched any of these. Okay, Safe House, they watched that, so you can see a little line there. Yeah, so that's just pulling from the XBMC database. So yeah, I just want to show Maraschino. It's really cool. It's I tried it a couple weeks ago. It didn't seem a little bit buggy, but it's just he's cleaning it up, and you can see active development in the XBMC forums. It's a really cool way to kind of integrate everything together on your computer, so that you can. I mean, you can just set one IP here, or you can just set one domain here, and then just use that to go to all of them. You know, you don't have to remember all of what ports you're using or what subdomains you're using. You just have one domain, and now you have all your links on there. It's a really cool landing page for your home media system. So yeah, just wanted to show that. Hope you guys try this. It's just another Python script, just like all the other things, and Python program. Just run it, and you'll see how awesome it is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later.